Hey guys, Chris from Provo Beast Audio Installation, and today we're just doing a quick unboxing of this OFC 4-gauge amplifier wiring kit by Skar Audio. This is the Skar 4-OFC. Now in this unboxing, we're going to show you everything that this kit comes with and some of the specs and features in the event you're looking to get an amplifier and subwoofer installed in your own vehicle. Let's get started. So this kit is a great kit. You can order these directly through Skar. You can also get them generally through Amazon when they're available. But it's a great kit, and what really makes this stand out is these letters. It's an oxygen-free copper kit, which allows you to have the best continuity you can experience in your vehicle through this wire. OFC is generally a lot better than copper-clad aluminum, so if you can afford OFC, it's really the better way to go. This kit can support, like it does state on the box, up to 1500 watts. It does come with a 120 amp fuse and also has some nice premium RCA cables included as well. Now flipping the box on over, some of the big things here of your power wire here, your blue wire that you can expect here in the box. They provide you 17 feet of it and matching 3 foot of ground wire as well. Your RCAs are 17 feet. We have 3 feet of black split loom. Again, you can keep that split loom on your power wire or your ground, just depending on where you want to install it. You have 17 feet of remote turn-on wire that triggers the amplifier to turn on when the radio is on. We have 20 feet of 16-gauge speaker wire. It's also OFC, which is nice. And then finally, has a 20 amp fuse and fuse holder included within the box. It has a general diagram of how to get everything installed. So, without further ado, let's get this thing pulled apart. So right here on the top, it comes with ring terminals, boots, zip ties, everything like that. We've got our big fuse holder here, again pre-installed with a 120 amp fuse. We have our 2-channel RCAs. We have our OFC 4-gauge copper wire here, or power wire. We also have some OFC speaker wire as well, with remote turn-on wire, which essentially allows you to wire into a trigger location or an accessory location that will tell the amplifier to turn on when the vehicle is on. They also provide some split loom, and then within the split loom itself is your ground. Now you can keep the split loom on the ground, you can move the split loom over to your power wire, just depends on your application. And for those that care, we're going to go look at the strands itself. It's actually not too bad. I'm actually surprised how much more thick the shielding is. I'd expect a little bit more in terms of number of strands, but overall the quality of the wire does seem good. I just hope to see a little bit more wiring in there, but that's a personal preference to me. So just for comparison here, so right here the blue is our Skar Audio wire. Now here in the middle is some CT Sounds wire for comparison there. And then right here we have some Colossus OFC New Concepts wire. So I guess in the end it's pretty comparable, but of the three, I'm actually surprised when we look at it even off camera that the Skar Audio is the smaller of the three. But again, it's still OFC cable. And for the price that you pay for this cable, it's actually not too bad. So, all right, well, that's really about it for this unboxing. If you want to see this kit in action, we're going to be installing this and pairing it with an RP 1500x1 Skar amplifier, as well as two 12-inch Skar Audio subwoofers and a Skar Audio enclosure. So it's a Skar branded install. So check that video on out. We'll have a link in the description as well as a card up above. Like I said, thanks again for watching. Be sure to hit the like button if you like what you saw, and don't forget to subscribe. We post great content on the channel all the time. We will see you in the next video.